Yo, I'm John, this is Car Cottage, and we're starting a custom car parts business. We plan to make some parts. I wanted to introduce you to the main piece of equipment we're going to be using to make most of these parts, which is our CNC milling machine, and show you briefly around the setup. So basically, what a CNC milling machine is a spindle which spins super fast in the middle, and you put a tool in there. This tool normally cuts in one way or another, and that allows us to remove material from a block or a billet that we've bought. The CNC stands for Computer Numeric Control, or something like that. And what that means is we program this with software on our laptop, which allows the machine to cut fancy shapes, profiles, and really makes it a very versatile machine to make a lot of different things. They're a fairly staple piece of equipment in most machine shops. So it's not just about the machine, it's about the tooling that we put in it as well. And being a big advocate of lean manufacturing, I'm very conscious about the workspace around it too, which hopefully some of you will find interesting. You can see on our wall we have all of the tooling that doesn't fit in the machine. The machine has a tool changer with 12 stations, so we can have 12 tools in the machine and use any one of those during our program. Anything that isn't in the machine we either have to load before we start the program, or the machine will prompt us to load a tool in it manually, which we can do from this wall here. We have a little tag set up so that we know that tool is correct and ready to go, and the machine knows what it is and how long it is, which is very important. We also have our workbench with the fixturing, and this is also where our 4th axis lives, which means we can do extra processes automatically that if you had a 3-axis you'd either have to do manually or you just couldn't do at all. And then we have our toolbox behind the machine with all the tools and deburring tools and smaller drills, smaller cutters, tips and spares for the tooling that's on the wall. This setup seems to work really well. We've got a little vise on the bench, and it means I can reach everything super quickly and I'm not walking around the workshop looking for anything. This machine is 10 horsepower. The bed size is a 560 millimeters wide basically, and about 320 millimeters deep. So anything larger than that you have to start moving it around to be able to fit it in there, or you get somebody else to do it. That's about it. That's all I wanted to show you today. Next video I think we're going to be making our first part, which is going to be just a simple battery strap for our car. The reason I'm choosing that piece is because it should be quite simple, quite a quick part to design and manufacture, so a good one to test out our process and also continue working on our content. So stick around and look out for that video. Thank you.